What's going on, guys? On today's video, we're going to be doing a product reveal on the Lasfit Tire Inflator. I'm going to show you guys all the features, how long it takes to fill up a tire. That way you guys will know. And this is a good item to keep it in your car. That way, if you're in a jam, you have something. So let's check it out. All right, so let's unbox it and check it out, see what's in it. So you got a nice case that you can keep it in your car. It'll be all protected and all together. Let's see some of the specs. So 50 liters a minute of airflow. It's got 3 batteries inside. They're 4,000 milliamps each. Auto shut off, preset pressure, and dual power supply. So we'll check those out. So this is good for a pickup truck, car, motorcycle, pretty much a ball. I mean, anything. So that's kind of cool. So let's see how it looks. It's pretty heavy, I'll tell you that much. Especially very heavy for something this size, at least. All right, we got a owner's manual here. This is the compressor. It's pretty beefy. Lasfit Air looks nice. Flashlight, USB-C, regular USB, and this I'm assuming is where the hose connects to the output for air. And then this is probably to charge it. It looks really nice. I don't know what this is here. I don't know what that is. I'm assuming it's some kind of storage compartment for the tips that come with it, but we'll check it out. So that's that. Let's see. So you do get a 12-volt cigarette lighter charger. Then you get a USB to USB-C cable. This here is the tips to inflate a ball or like a pool toy. So I'm assuming these are the ones that go inside the little storage compartment. Then you get your little air chuck. Looks nicely made. Looks like it's brass. Looks nice. A little valve that you put on the stem and then you let go. And it locks itself. Then you have the hoses. I don't know why you have 2. One black. They look to be identical. One's black, one is red. I don't know if each is used for one thing or if this is just a spare. I'll have to look in the manual and see. But let's use the red one just for the hell of it. Looks like it's you put it in and twist. So you push it in and twist and it locks in place. Show you that again. See how it's got little teeth? It should only go in 2 ways, either this way or this way, and then when you put it in, you lock it. And then you screw the other end to the tire. If you're doing a tire, or to this one here if you're inflating a basketball, just screw it like that. Or this one if you're just inflating a pool toy or something similar. And this last one here, let's see what that is. That one there is a little adapter. I'm not sure what, it's got a little O-ring on the inside. I'm not sure what that does. I have to see what the manual says. Anyway, it's a nice case. This feels really quality. So let's put the tire one on. It does have a little O-ring on the inside or a little rubber gasket. So it looks like it seals itself once it's tight. Nice. It looks very sharp. Very nice unit. All right, so that is now on the charger because it was on the first bar. I'll let you guys know how long it takes to charge from empty to all the way to 100%. Okay, so the battery is fully charged. It took about 2 hours. It does have 4 big batteries in there, so it makes sense that it would take that long. But I mean, It's actually not too long though. It does come with a cigarette lighter charger, so you can charge it as you drive it. But yeah, you charge it once for 2 hours and then you leave it in your car, and whenever you need it, it's there. All right, so I want to show you guys a quick operation and the modes it has. So pretty simple. To turn it on, the middle button is the on button. Press and hold. It'll say on, let go. The unit's now on. Press and hold again. It'll turn off. So pretty basic. Let's turn this on. All right, so you do have a flashlight over here, and the flashlight has 3 modes. So you see the little light logo here. If you press it once, it's regular light. If you press it again, it's flashing lights, strobe. And then if you press it again, it's like Morse code. Press it again, shuts off. Plus and minus is for you to adjust your pressure. So whatever pressure you want it to be. So let's say the door on your car says 32. You will set this to 32 or whatever pressure you want. And then you're going to connect this to the tire. And you're going to press the on button. That's going to start pumping. And automatically when it reaches 32, it'll shut itself off. You do have 4 modes on this. Actually, you have 5 modes. So you have car mode. You see the little car here. In car mode, so here's a nice little table. In car mode, it'll usually start base pressure is 35, and it's adjustable all the way up to 65. In motorcycle mode, between 40 and 55. In bicycle mode, between 38 and 150 psi. If you go to ball mode, it'll be between 8 and 15. So it's important to know these options, because if you're in ball mode and you're trying to inflate a tire, the max you're going to get out of this is 15 psi. So it's important to know which mode you're in before you start. And then the last one's custom mode. That one goes between 100 and 150. That's if you're filling a huge tire or something big that takes a lot of pressure. So basically, this bottom button here's the mode. So you see the car mode, the bicycle mode, motorcycle mode, ball mode, and the little guy is a custom mode. Let's put this on a tire and see how long it takes to fill up from 20 psi to 35. All right, so I lowered the tire pressure on this to under 20 psi, is like 18 or 19. I want to go up to 35. If you click this button here, it'll be car or truck. If you press it again, it'll be a bicycle tire, ATV, and a ball. So I'm going to go back to car. I'm going to put this here. I'm trying to make sure it's sealed. Okay. So right there is about 19, like I said. So I'm going to put a timer. Timer right there. Then I'm going to start the timer and start the compressor. Press. Automatically stops. So about a minute and a half. That's really not bad at all for a compressor this size. The little bits that are extra. I don't want to scratch the front. Goes into this little pouch here, so you can put all your pieces there. This little piece here that I wasn't sure what it was. This is an adapter for a certain special bike stem. If you have like a mountain bike, or there's a special stem that takes this little adapter here, so it's cool to have if you need it. So close the little rubber pouch. It's like a little. Try to do it with one hand. There you go. So yeah, definitely very nice. I definitely recommend this to anybody that needs it. It's awesome to have this in a car. And like I said, even if the battery dies, you still have your long extension cord for a cigarette lighter. And as soon as you plug it in, even if the battery's dead, it's ready to roll. So you can't go wrong with it. It does come with a spare hose. They seem to be the same, just different colors. The manual doesn't specify one is for one is for the other. And then obviously you do have your USB charging cable here. So that's cool. And the case is awesome. The case is nice and compact. Everything fits just right. So I would give this 5 stars. This is literally pretty cool. And it's nice to have it in the car. You have it fully charged. Like I said, it takes about 2 hours to fully charge it from completely dead. And you leave it in your car. The lithium batteries just hold a charge for a long time, and you won't have to worry about it. One day when you're in a pinch and you run over a nail and your tires losing air and you have to keep putting air into it to make it home. Not every gas station nowadays have pumps, and then when they do, they're most likely broken. Welcome to 2024. So it's nice to have something in the car that you can keep adding a little bit of air until you make it home in an emergency situation. So yeah, guys, definitely recommend it. There will be a link below for you to purchase this yourself. And see you guys on the next one.